Let's get the latest now from meteorologist Tyler Maudlin. What are you seeing on the maps there, Tyler?
So what I'm seeing right now, Michael, is a very strong hurricane that's going to intensify as it moves over the Bahamas. You can see it right here on satellite and radar imagery. A lot of reds firing up here. That is the stronger thunderstorms, and it's just lashing the southern Bahamas now. As it continues to push to the northwest at 24 kilometers per hour, it will strengthen just a little bit. Its intensity at the moment, Michael, is 130 kilometers per hour, gusts up to 160. On this track, and you can see all the rainfall here, on this track, all that rainfall is going to come rolling in across the western Bahamas, which this is the first hurricane that they've dealt with since Hurricane Dorian last year, which did just absolutely rattle the Bahamas. Now, all of that's going to move towards the western Bahamas on into South Florida and East Central Florida too, where I think South and East Florida could start feeling the impacts, the outer bands, by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. We have a hurricane warning in effect for the Bahamas and also the other areas shaded in red here from Boca Raton, Florida, all the way up to the Flagler-Volusia County line in North Florida. This is the area that we could see the hurricane force conditions over the next 12 to 24 hours. There's a lot of wind shear out ahead of it. That's going to help weaken the system, but not by much. I actually think it's going to win out. It's going to take that shear and just push it out to the curb like a pinball machine. And once we get to, let's say Saturday evening, 8 o'clock, we're going to look at a 140 kilometer per hour storm and just streaking right up the east coast of Florida. Very close. A little too close for comfort. The hurricane force winds stretch out about 35 or so miles from the center, and that means that the east coast of Florida is definitely going to feel some hurricane force conditions, whether or not it actually makes landfall. As you can see, it continues to push to the north, and New York and Boston come midweek could actually feel tropical storm force conditions. Here's a look at the wind forecast, and yep, there you go. A slight landfall according to this model near Sebastian. It continues to push to the north. Tropical storm impacts possible for Charleston, South Carolina, as it continues to push up to the north. And for the most part, the models are in pretty good agreement. The spaghetti models have it just right offshore of Florida, up the east coast, but our top two models, the European and the GFS, they differ just a little bit, Michael.
All right, keep an eye on it. We'll check in with you, Tyler. Thanks so much, Tyler Maudlin there. And thank you for watching. I'm Michael Holmes. Do stay tuned for Marketplace Africa. I'll see you a little later.